Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr. Sirisha's Management Lectures. Here we'll try to see how to make our morning routines more productive. What we can actually do to make our morning routine a more productive one. Because mornings are waking up early in the morning and kick-starting the day, that is the most tough task for many of the people. So we have to manage that. We have to see to it that our morning routines are even more productive and that gives us a kind of positive energy to start the day. Okay, so here the thing is you have to make gradual changes to your morning routine. If you are a very dull kind of a person and if you do not like to wake up early in the morning and if you find it tough to kickstart the day, then you have identified a problem and now you are in that transition to more productive mornings, right? So let the changes be gradual. Do not overdo things. They can impact negative. Okay, they'll have negative impact altogether. So if you do not feel like waking up early in the morning or just moving a half an hour ahead of your routine or daily time, then make those gradual changes, make those changes gradually. Okay, and show some forgiveness towards yourself. If you are not able to wake up the next day at say 5:30 or 6 o'clock or whatever time you have set for yourself, then it's okay. Don't lose your heart because you are in the process, in the transition period. So just like that, you cannot make yourself all those, you cannot accommodate all those sudden changes. So it's okay. It's okay if you are not able to do that or incorporate that change the next day. It's okay. But do not give up. Okay. Try to incorporate it or try to make that change or follow that routine the third day also. Then you are consistent. You are persistent. Consistency and persistence, those are the keys here. You should not give up. Okay, even if you are not able to do it the very next day or the very second day or the third day, it's okay. It's okay. You still have time. And when you are getting back, when you are trying to getting back to your new routine, then you are showing that consistency and then you are showing that persistence, which are more important to make your mornings more productive. Okay, and these are a few things which you need to have in order to make your mornings more productive. The first thing is having a plan for the next morning. You can have it here in your mind or you can also write the things down. What you are supposed to do, what you want to do in the morning after you get up. Okay, and try to incorporate or try to include certain enjoyable things. Do not jump to your work as soon as you get up. Okay, it's not for your work that you are getting up early in the morning. Okay, it should not be like that. That in a way demotivates us. Instead, if you try to have a plan or some activity, if you include some activity that you like or that you enjoy doing, that motivates you to get up early in the morning and kickstart your day. Okay, it can be anything like having a very good cup of coffee or have doing meditation or going through the newspaper or anything, or just taking a look at the surroundings. So anything that makes you happy, anything that you enjoy, that should be included in your plan. Okay, so that should be something like a reward to yourself. Okay, a reward for your self, that's it. Okay, so and natural light is something which really kickstarts our it tells our circadian rhythm, the clock that operates, the biological clock that operates within ourself. So that sunlight or natural light, that that tells our clock, body clock, that biological clock, to get up and start your day. because it is very hard for us in the morning to get out of bed, for many people at least. Okay, so if you allow that natural light to enter your room, that makes your mind, that sends signals to your mind that become active. Come on, the day has started. So it is very important, if possible, leave a window open or move a curtain aside so that the natural light comes into your room, right? Also, vitamin D. Many people, like whoever, for whatever reasons we go to a doctor, the first complaint or the first report that comes is deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D, the deficiency of vitamin D, it leads to many problems, and fatigue is one of the things, one of the problems. So check your vitamin D levels and try to take a supplement with doctor's consultation, of course. Okay, so that physically you are fit, physically you are not tired, and you're not facing that fatigue problem, and you're okay, you're not weak, physically you're healthy and sound. Okay, and a morning walk, a definite thing which we all should incorporate in our daily routines. Okay, some physical activity, if not walking, any other thing, any other kind of physical activity in the morning. Okay, yoga or jogging or whatever, gym, whatever, because physically when we start doing that activity, it makes everything in our body active. Okay, that helps us begin the day with some kind of positive mindset, right? Next is consistency. Consistency is the key, as we have already discussed. Whatever you do, you have to do it consistently. Do not start today, do it for 2 days and stop it. Even if you are not able to do it for 1 day or 2 days, it's okay. It's okay. But try to get back to this productive routine. Okay. So, even on weekends, even on holidays, try to get up at the same time. Okay. Do not show laziness in the weekends. Okay, so that consistency will definitely help us incorporate more productiveness into our morning routine. Also, time to unplug. We cannot stress more on the negative impacts our blue screen is having on us. Okay, so try to unplug, like the night before you sleep, and immediately after getting up, do not touch your phone. You will have an urge, we will have an urge, I also have that urge to grab my phone and see that screen. But try to control that, because that has a lot of impact on the productiveness of our mornings. And of course, before we sleep also, the night before also, we should not have so much dependency on the screen, and at least half an hour break should be there, or half an hour gap should be there, where we are unplugging and sleeping. And morning also, immediately when we get up, and we should not grab the phone. We should connect with the nature, or with the environment outside, okay, around us. That is more important. And good night sleep is very important for a productive morning routine. Okay, so actually the night routine and the morning routine should go hand in hand. They are like two faces of the same coin. You cannot overlook the night rituals. Okay, they are equally important, like the time when you are going to bed, or as I said, this unplugging yourself from the gadgets, having some peaceful mindset before you sleep. Okay, like there are many entrepreneurs or many successful people who have said on record that they maintain a gratitude journal before going to bed. They write a gratitude journal, and they include every positive aspect that they have gone through that particular day in that journal before going to bed. So that is what they keep in the mind as the last thing before going to bed. And immediately the first thing that comes to mind after they wake up the next morning, that gratitude things or all the good things that they have done that day, right? So that is one thing. Like what I am saying is the night rituals and the morning routines, the productive morning routines, they both are like, they should go hand in hand, right? So these are some things which, little things, they are not very big things that we cannot do, right? Small things, but they have a great impact on productiveness of our daily morning routines. Okay, thank you.